Hey guys, you're watching Cutie Crafts. Today I will be showing you another QDminis collection, and this time it is Minecraft Animals. This was inspired by the new Minecraft movie trailer that just came out. Terribly mortified by what I witnessed.
What is that?
But also extremely curious to see how this movie will turn out. But don't worry, in this video we will be using the classic Minecraft designs, so grab your beads and let's start crafting. The first face that I will be making is Steve's face. Everyone knows Steve as the guy from Minecraft, and in the new movie that's coming out, Steve is being played by Jack Black, which is a very interesting casting decision. When I saw that, I was like, why Jack Black? He has this huge beard that doesn't even look like Steve. But then I realized in Steve's design, he has like these brown pixels that make a smile. That's not a smile, that was a beard. So Steve actually has a beard, but I refuse to believe that. So those brown pixels there, it's Steve's little smile, and it always will be. Next up is the axolotl. This is actually one of my favorite 3D designs that I've ever made on my channel because I did a live stream of me designing this, and some of you guys who are watching actually helped me with the design, and it was just one of my first live streams where I was able to show you my process of creating a 3D Minecraft Perler Bead project. They are one of the coolest mobs, and you should definitely check out my axolotl live stream if you ever want to bead with me. For the llama, you can change up the colors of the cloth that's around its head. There's lots of different patterns that you can pick, but I'm just choosing the classic traveling villagers llama's colors. Sometimes in Minecraft, you'll see this wandering villager, I think that's what it's called, and he'll have two llamas that he carries around with a lasso. I think that's the only way you can get lassos, is if you steal them from this wandering villager. I don't know where else to find them. Oh, I think in treasure chests. It's really hard to find lassos, so you always have to just get it from this poor villager, and his llamas will spit at you if you ever attack him. Also, another very fun 3D figure that I've made before on my channel as well. You should definitely check that out and change up the colors to make your own unique llama. This mob, I actually have never created a 3D design for yet. I get so many requests for the Minecraft wolf, and I should have done it earlier because now Minecraft has like 9 different wolf designs, and before it was just the gray classic wolf that you can tame into a dog, but now there are 8 other colors, and if I design one, I have to decide which ones to choose. But if you guys really want me to make a 3D Minecraft wolf, please let me know in the comments and tell me which variation you would like to see, the original or some of the new colors. I can't decide. One of my favorite mobs in the game is the Minecraft cat. I also made a 3D figure of this one already for my birthday one year, and cats as well have so many different color variations. I really love orange tabby cats, so that's my go-to cat, but I also love all sorts of cats. Cats are just amazing. I recently have been getting so many cat videos from my friends. I appreciate those so much, and I really wish I had my own cat. In Minecraft, ocelots are exactly the same design as a cat, but they're still a completely different animal, so I'm just gonna put this as another different mob, but technically it's the same as the cats, and it's also another excuse for me to make more of the cat designs because I think they're actually really cute, and these are so easy. It just takes like 3 minutes and you can make so many of these little cats. They would make really cute fridge magnets if you get some really small magnets that you can glue on. I picked the black cat, a calico cat. I recently met a very cute calico cat in my surrounding neighborhood, and yeah, I love cats. If you guys have cats, please send me pictures. I'd love to see them. And again, you can change up the colors for whichever breed of cat you want. My most recent Minecraft figure that I made on my channel is the Minecraft frog. So I made a big green frog. I always consider green frogs as a default frog, but in Minecraft, the default one that you find in most biomes is this reddish brown frog. The green ones you can only find in a certain biome that I thought was really strange, but the green frog is my favorite. One of my earliest 3D Minecraft projects was the Minecraft Fox. I made this during the pandemic, and it was a very challenging design because a lot of the legs and the limbs, they're all very thin. So with Perler Beads, you have to really find a design that can allow you to fit so little pixels together. I believe in Minecraft you can only find foxes in the taiga biome. They're pretty hard to find, so when you do see them, it's always great and they're so cute. Another one of my earlier animal projects was the Minecraft polar bear. They are huge if you actually make the whole figure. Polar bears are also very Canadian because you see them on our $2 coins called toonies. I have only ever seen a polar bear at the zoo. Also with climate change and everything, their habitats are diminishing, so it's kind of really sad. I hope they can continue to thrive, but it's not looking good. It's actually, yeah, sorry. This is the biggest head out of all of the mobs in this collection, and if you actually see the 3D model of the Minecraft panda, you will notice how large it is. If you've ever seen pandas in real life, you'll see how relaxed they are. They're just the most chill and cute, bubbly little panda bears. I really enjoyed seeing them when I was at the Beijing Zoo and the Toronto Zoo. The Toronto Zoo had pandas that were borrowed from China for like 5 years, and if you're lucky enough to see a panda at the zoo, you definitely have to watch how they eat their bamboo and just enjoy their life. Also, I thought it would fit on the 14x14 pegboard, but I actually needed one more column of pegs, but it's okay, it will still work because we'll be using the masking tape method to get the beads off of the pegboard for the ironing process. We will iron both sides with your iron on a medium heat setting. My iron is always on the polyester setting, or number 3. This is our beautiful collection of Minecraft heads. Now you can turn these into keychains or magnets. I'll turn this little wolf into a keychain. You can get keychain kits online. You just get your pliers to put the ring through. And then I have these magnetic buttons from the dollar store that I'm gluing on with some E6000, or you can use super glue or hot glue. The magnets are ready to go onto the board. And look at that, another set of QDminis to add to my bead wall. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more craft videos, and I will see you guys next time with another cutie craft. Bye!